2021 Ram TRX, 18,000 miles, one owner, stock, clear Carfax, level 2 carbon package. Awesome. Hi everyone, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramaauto.com. This is our first TRX. It's black with the black and red interior. It's got the level 2 package on it, which is pretty much all the options. Heated and cooled front and back seats, big panoramic roof, got the emblems on it, got the stickers on it, got the metallic black, I think they call it diamond black on these. Remote starter, got the big screen, the launch control, and Harman Kardon audio. You can see that red stitching. It's awesome. Fully inspected, full factory warranty. Carfax is clear. I bought it from the original owner. We got the bead lock available wheels. I bought it from the original owner. He's the kind of guy that gets a couple new trucks a year because that's what he likes to do. Yeah, it's pretty much flawless. He added some mud flaps and some running boards on it. It is awesome. This kind of horsepower is just unreal. That price you see, we don't have a bunch of hidden fees. We have $145 dock fee. That's it. No surprises. Get pre-approved on the financing. We'll have you in and out of here in 15-20 minutes. We don't want to keep you here all day like some other dealerships do. Yeah, so come and see it. Get pre-approved if you need to do some financing ahead of time. Chance to own a rare truck. And yeah, fantastic condition. No weird stories. Come and see it. Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota. autoramaauto.com.